If you're watching this, congratulations, you are now up. And if you're up, you're in La La Land. This isn't just a decoding station, it's a tips and tricks drop for your personal board game. You just unlocked a shiny ass frequency decoder token, a brand new game piece for your path. Without it, you're spinning in place while the system hijacks your nervous system and plays Monopoly with your fucking emotions. So let's talk about music. Everything I'm giving you is tools. Pay attention. People love debating lyrics, but they never stop to question the frequency. Do you ever notice how Cardi B doesn't even let her own kids listen to her music? And it's not just about her lyrics, because if you ever heard how she speaks, that ain't the issue. The problem is frequency. What vibration is being pumped into your field? You think Kanye just dropped 808s because it sounded cool? That bass hits deep for a fucking reason. Those tones are not random. They're low vibrational tools meant to disrupt your internal balance, make you feel off, sad, aggressive, drained. It's not music, it's fucking manipulation. They do it with the frequency. Pay attention. So whether you knew about this or it's brand new to you, doesn't matter. You've got it now, and in La La Land, knowledge is the freaking key to this game. So play it smart, stack your tools, and don't let the system DJ your downfall. Here's a tip. You can go on to Spotify, you can go on to YouTube. Just search healing frequencies. See what talks to your soul. Start talking to yourself. Start asking these questions. Because you can go on there and you could find frequencies for each one of your chakras, remove negative energy, help heal childhood trauma. Just start searching. I'm getting goosebumps on this one because Spirit is saying, keep talking, you're doing right. I'm not telling you what to listen to. I am guiding you to what to ask your own self, your own soul, your higher self, your spirit team. They're going to communicate with you, but you need to be unplugged from this fucking matrix and present enough to catch your signs. Your body talks to you. That's your number one, 222 on that timer. Go back to my feed because there's a lot of information there, tips and tricks, but I'm still going to go over and bring topics back up fresh as I get new perspective and new downloads, because the more I talk, the more information I get. So with that being said, ask your higher self, what healing frequency do I need to listen to today? What should I be listening to? And go search. Or when you pick up your phone and hit the open search, what gets dropped into your head? What download comes in? Is it heart chakra, crown, healing, remove negative energy? Just search, see what speaks and what calls to you. And from there, you're on your way. You're on your freaking way. So as always, double tap the screen, no bot behavior. Like, comment, share. Give me a follow. I'm always dropping the nuggets of knowledge. And drop things in the comments because I love hearing from you guys. So with that being said, now you got more tools. You got more game pieces. Start paying attention. Start playing your own board. Start navigating your own fucking story, your game. There's a million different ways you could look at this. I look at it like a board game, video game. My younger self was playing as the board game. My higher self, my adult self, is now on the video game portion where it's a level up, spiral up. I'll get more into this later. It looks like a new download just got dropped. Stay tuned.